Alright, so I finally got my replacement control board from Nosfet. My issue was that left pack, the BMS was not being read off any of the apps, and I can only charge up to 120 volts due to the left BMS not working. So Jack and I determined that it is the control board, so they sent me a new one. Here are these little black wires which feed to the BMS. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this, and let's see if I go back to 126 volts charging. Relatively easy to take apart this Aero, so I'll walk you through it. All right, here we go. All right, this comes off. Got to take all these screws. This is, takes a little bit. Just loosen it up. Alright, so comes off. Just careful of this little connector. Alright, it's time to take apart this control board. So let's remove the wires. I should have probably discharged the battery. I could still do that, especially if you're working with the control board. Make sure you discharge the battery. Oh, my little air tag. Alright, there we go. I guess this waterproofing as well, but kind of hard to take this thing out. Alright, there we go. Hopefully this thing fits through this hole, this connector. Alright, so push it all the way in. It's very tight in there. Alright, there we go. That's one. 4 more to go. I hope this one comes with, okay, so the new board comes with all of it, so don't need to worry about ripping this apart. You definitely need some type of pliers. I mean, I don't care if I rip this thing now because I just realized I got additional. I wonder if I could just clip this actually, because I no longer need this. But I don't trust that board yet, so I want to take all this off. What I realize is I'm gonna have to reattach this module. Alright, so green, blue, yellow. Okay. Oh, man. This really holds it together. I may have to get some. Okay, this one, I think it comes with the Bluetooth. Oh my god, okay, it's off. There's actually 2 pieces, but soldered in, glued in together. Alright, so this is off, this is off. I just need to get these battery cables out. Difficult to get out. Oh, one more. Let's go. I guess the trick is to get these rubber gaskets out first. Alright, there we go. Whew, that was an ordeal. Alright, so there's 4 screws holding this control board down. I think that's it as far as the wires go. It's out now. I'm not even going to bother putting it back in. I'm just going to, actually, never mind. I do have to put it in. I'm not going to screw it though. So here's the old board, which I believe this little BMS connector was not working. Here comes the moment of truth. I'm gonna screw in 3 of them, 2 of them, just to have it held, and then I'm gonna give it a test. The true test is just seeing if the phone or the app connects to the other BMS. If so, if I have readings from both BMSs, I am good. I can charge it to 100. I can close this thing up. Okay, I'm gonna plug my control board back. Then I'll bring out my phone and let's see if it detects the BMS. Hopefully it's a control board. Okay, it's in. Power it up. Looks normal. Looks like it went back to kilometers. See if it kept the same mileage. Oh wow, it reset it to oh yeah, obviously. Alright, anyway, it resetted everything because it's a new control board. Okay, Nosfet. Okay. Settings, device, battery info. Here's the moment of truth. All right, battery 1's. Battery 2, all right, we're back in business. So it was the control board. Well, the BMS wire coming from the control board went bad. So looks like we're good here. I'm gonna charge it up to 126 now. This is gonna be super annoying. That's it, so we're good. Control board. Thanks again, Jack.